From crop reports to stock reports, I'm Lena Sharp with PotNetwork.tv, your source for marijuana news.
And I'm Tom Chambers. In today's top stories, a look into PHOT's rough financial week.
Wisconsin provisionally legalizes medical marijuana.
And finally, researchers seek to study the impact of marijuana in the treatment of patients with PTSD.
Line 'em up and knock 'em down. CANN, AVNE, PTOG, CDFT, PHOT. Why am I throwing random letters at you? These are the ticker symbols for cannabis stocks that have been halted by the SEC. After initial hype leading to market soars, pot stocks are facing a crackdown that has led to difficult times in the market.
And by now we all know what happened on April 10th when the SEC suspended PHOT from trading. The suspension order came down in response to, and I quote, potentially manipulative transactions in the common stock. The SEC has raised questions regarding the accuracy and adequacy of information in the marketplace.
Particularly troublesome is the fact that Director and Executive Vice President of GrowLife, Robert Hunt, sold off 500,000 shares of the company in the week before the halt, leaving investors scratching their heads. It's unclear whether this trading was simply coincidental or a reaction by management to knowledge of impending legal trouble.
On April 11th, GrowLife's Canadian partners Creative Edge Nutrition and RXNB rescinded supply agreements. GrowLife stock plunged by 5.28% following the suspension.
PHOT is set to re-enter the trade market on April 25th. However, there's no guarantee that trading will commence following the end of the suspension. Prior experience suggests that it may be difficult for the company to get its head back above water financially. CANN surprised the market when it successfully returned to trading following its own SEC suspension. PHOT could go either way. Really, all investors can do is wait and see.
And the Rosen law firm, on the other hand, is not willing to wait and see. On April 18th, the Rosen law firm filed a securities fraud class action lawsuit against GrowLife. The lawsuit accuses GrowLife of releasing material, false, and misleading statements regarding the company's financial conditions.
In the face of such great opposition, PHOT will have to hold strong if it wants to follow CANN's lead and recover financially. Mark your calendars for April 25th, because that date may be the true test of the marijuana industry's resilience.
Great, and coming up next, Wisconsin legalizes marijuana for medicinal purposes, but how far does the bill reach? I'm Tom Chambers for PotNetwork.tv, your source for marijuana news.
And I'm Lena Sharp. Thanks for joining us.